Welcome to Rayoptics. We manufacture pre-connectorized FTTH drop cable assemblies. Connector options include SCAPC, SCUPC, LCAPC, and LCUPC. These cables are widely used in FTTH and broadband access networks. Factory termination helps reduce installation time and field labor. Our daily capacity reaches 3,000 drop cable assemblies. Every cable is tested for insertion loss and return loss. We also inspect end-face quality and mechanical performance. Quality control follows IEC 61300, IEC 61755, and GR3 to 6 score. Our products are exported to North America, South America, the Middle East, and Africa. We serve telecom operators, ISPs, distributors, and system integrators. Rayoptic, reliable fiber connectivity.